Here we go, Scotty. Kurt standing, looking to go back to back, and Ken Quartuccio goes right in.
Better reaction time for Quartuccio, and so is the win light. Hole shot win, 361.3. We talk about baby hole shots. One foul difference in ET down on the top.
Okay, Jimmy. Yes. Woo! That was the last one. That was the last one.
Ken Quartuccio, I dubbed you my dark horse, and I freaking mean it, but you keep winning. You're not going to be the dark horse. It is my pleasure on this Father's Day for my track dad. Happy Father's Day and congratulations.
Thank you so
Let's hear
much.
from the winner.
I don't even know what to say. I'm lost for words. Everybody tries so hard in this deal, and I'm going to cry again. And I got to stop doing that.
No, this is what this is about. It's emotion, it's passion. You know, you got your whole family here. You got your grandson. You got both your girls here. This has to be unbelievable.
I mean, our week started. Dennis on Monday drove to Georgia to Proline, picked up a motor for us. Johnny came back from Bristol. They won. He got back at 6 o'clock at night, went to the shop at 9 o'clock at night, worked all night putting the motor in so we could load it up on Wednesday. It's just, without these guys, with Jamie and Tim Davis, my wife, everybody, it's just, I'm a friggin' sap.
I love it, and that's why we love you so much, guys. Ken Quartuccio, your winner here tonight. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, for me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.